Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about new topic logarithms from first chapter real numbers 10th class. So we have problems in logarithms in 1.5 exercise. So we are going to do problems, and before that we have to learn about the definition and properties or laws of logarithms. So how can you define? You have to familiar exponents and powers, but if you don't know about logarithms, it is a new topic. Now we can say that exponents and logarithms, these two are inverse of one another. So here, how can you define logarithms? A and n are positive real numbers, a not equal to 1. This the exponential form is a to the power of x equal to n. A is base, x is power, a to the power of x is index. A to the power of x equal to n. So we can write the logarithmic function log n base a equal to x. This is exponential form. This is a logarithmic form. A and n are positive real numbers. A not equal to 1. This is the exponential form. A to the power of x equal to n. So we can write the logarithmic form. A to the power of x equal to n. So we can write the logarithmic form log n base a equal to x. This is exponential form. This is a logarithmic form. Exponential form. This form already you know that. Small example. 3 cube equal to 27. This is the exponential form. We can write as logarithmic form log 27 base 3 equal to 3. Log 27 base 3 equal to 3. This is the exponential form. This is the logarithm form. In the same way, n to the power of x equal to 1000. We can write the logarithm form log 1000 base 10 equal to x. So here, if the base is 10, we write. If the base is 10, these logarithms are called natural logarithms. Sometimes we omit base. Suppose log 25 equal to x. You think the base is 10. So the logarithms which have base 10 are called natural logarithms. Natural logarithms. There are some laws of logarithms to solve the problems from 1.5 exercise. First one, log AB base x. Log A plus log B base x. This is the product formula. Log A by B base x equal to log A base x minus log B base x. This is the quotient formula. Log A to the power of n base x equal to n log A base x. This is index formula. Log A base A equal to 1. Log 1 any base equal to 0. Log a to the power of m base b to the power of m by n log a base b. Log 0 any base not defined. In the same way, log negative values base any base not defined. Log a base b equal to reciprocal of log b base a. Log b base a. These are the some important laws of logarithms to solve the problems. Exercise 1.5 first problem. Determine the values of the following. First bit log 5 base 25. We write 25 as log 5 base 5 square we write the 5 square. We use the laws of logarithm. Log a base b to the power of m, log a base a to the power of m, log a base a to the power of m equal to 1 by m log a base a, 1 by m log a base a. This is 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. Again we use the laws of logarithm formula. Log a base a, another formula, log a base a equal to 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. This is the value of the log 5 base 25. To solve these type of problems, we use the laws of logarithms. Next we prove the another problem. Log 1 by 16 base 2. We can write the log 1 by 16, log 1 by 2 to the power of 4 base 2. Log 1 by 2 to the 4 is nothing but 2 to the power of minus 4 base 2. This is the use the logarithm log a to the power of n base a, n log a base a. Therefore minus 4 into log 2 base 2 equal to minus 4 into 1 equal to the value is minus 4. We solve one more problem. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 equal to, we can write the problem. It is nothing but 2 cube by base 3 cube, base 2 by 3. Log 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. Use the laws of logarithm. Log a to the power of n base a, log n log a to the power of a base a equal to 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. 3 into log a base a, log a base a equal to 1. 3 into 1, it is nothing but 3. The value is 3. Second problem, write the following expressions log n and find the values if possible. Second problem, first bit, log 2 plus log 5. We see here log x plus log y, log a plus log b equal to log ab. This is the product rule. Log a plus log b equal to log ab. Log a plus log b and log ab are the inverse one another. Therefore log 2 into 5 equal to log 10. Next another bit, solve the problem. 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3. Find the value of the single logarithm equal to, this is 3 log 2, n log a and log 2 square 2 cube minus 2 log 3 log 3 square. It is nothing but log a by b formula, log a minus log b. First you simplify the log 2 cube. It is nothing but log 2 cube 8 minus log 3 square equal 9. Therefore log a minus log b is nothing but log a by b, log 8 by 9. Log a minus log b, it is nothing but log a by b, log 8 by 9. Next fourth problem, expand the following. Log 128 by 625. First you use the formula log A by B. Log A, log 128 minus log 625. Log 128 is nothing but 2 to the power of 7. Log 625 is 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4. Log A to the power of n. N log A, 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. 4 log 5. This is the expansion of the log 128 by 625. Next we have to solve the fifth problem in 1.5 exercise. This is if x square plus y square equal 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. This is very important. Every time asking 4 marks. 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th problems are very important in this exercise. So here what is asking, if x square plus y square equal 25xy, then prove that 2 log xy equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Now given x square plus y square equal to 25xy. Adding on both sides 2xy. Now x square plus y square plus 2xy LHS 25xy plus 2xy. We see the LHS. This is x square plus y square plus 2xy. It is nothing but x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square. Next, RHS 25xy plus 2xy. It is nothing but 27xy. Now, applying the log on both sides, log x plus y whole square equal to log 27xy. Now, LHS in the form of log a to the power of m equal to m log a. To LHS in the form of log a to the power of m, 2 log x plus y equal to RHS. The expansion we get in the form of log a, b, c. Log a, log 27 plus log x plus log y. 2 log x plus y equal to log 27. 27 we can written as 3 cube. Log 27. 27 we can written as 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Next, 2 log x plus y equal to, this is in the form of 2 log 3 cube in the form of log a to the power of m. m log a, 3 log 3, 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Log y. Hence the problem proved. Now we have to solve 6th problem. What is asking, if log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x is. What is given? What is given in the problem? It is this problem also very important. Every time asking 4 marks. What is given in the problem? Log x plus y by 3 equal to half into log x plus log y. Now we take LHS same as log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into, we can written as applying the formula log x plus log y is it is nothing but log xy, log of xy. Log xy equal to log x plus y by 3 equal to log n n log a, both sides are single logarithms, then the values are equal. If the both sides are single logarithms, then the values are equal. X plus y by 3 equal to root xy. Root xy. Next, x plus y equal to 3 root xy. 3 root xy. Squaring x plus y equal to 3 root xy. Squaring on both sides, x plus y whole square equal to 3 root xy whole square equal to x square, x plus y whole square. We are applying the x a plus b whole square formula. We have x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 9xy. Next, we can write as x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy. X square plus y square equal to 7xy. X square plus y square by xy equal to 7. X square plus y square by xy, x square by xy plus y square by xy equal to 7. X cancel, y cancel. X by y plus y by x equal to 7. Hence, the answer is x by y plus y by x. The value of x by y plus y by x equal to 7. Next, seventh problem. If 2.3 volt power x equal to 0.23 volt power y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. This is a very important problem also. It is asking me every time 4 marks. It is a lengthy problem but very easy. So see here. Now 2.3 volt to the power of x, 0.23 volt to the power of y equal to 1000 given. This is the equation number 1. Now take 2.3 volt to the power of x equal to 1000. So 23 by 10 volt to the power of x equal to 1000. Now by applying log on both sides, log 23 by 10 volt to the power of x equal to log 1000. Now the x log a to the power of m log a, x into log 23 by 10 equal to log 1000. It is nothing but 10 cube. Now x into log 23 minus log 10 equal to 3 log 10. Since log a to the power of m equal to m log a. Now x into log 23 minus log 10. Log 10, it is nothing but log 10 base 10. Natural logarithm base 10 1 equal to 3 into 1. Log 10 equal 1. Now x into log 23 minus 1 equal to 3 into 1. 3. Now x equal to 3 by log 23 minus 1. Reciprocal of x equal to 1 by x equal to log 23 minus 1 by 3. This is the equation number 2. Next we take these two. 0.23 volt to the power of y equal to 1000. 0.23 the decimal fraction change into p by q form. 23 by 100 whole to the power of y equal to 10 cube. Now by applying log on both sides, log LHS log 23 by 100 whole to the power of y equal to log 10 cube. Now applying the formula, logarithm formula, log a to the power of m log a, log 23 by 100 equal to 3 into log 10. Y into, now the quotient formula, log a by b, log a minus log b, log 23 minus log 23 minus log 100 equal to 3 into log 10, it is nothing but 1. Now y into log 23, now it is nothing but log 10 square 2 into log 10 base 10 equal to 1 2 there equal to 3. Now y equal to, we can write it 3 by log 23 minus 3. Asking 1 by y, therefore reciprocal of the y, 1 by y equal to log 23 minus 3 minus 2 log 23 minus 2 by 3. Now this is the equation number 3rd. Now you can take equation number 2 and 3, second and third. 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to log 1 by x is nothing but log 23 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by y. The value of 1 by y is log 23 minus 2 by 3. LCM 3, log 23 minus 1 is a minus into plus minus log 23 minus into minus plus 2 log 23 cancel, minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 we get 1 by 3. Now we conclude 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. Therefore find the value. We get the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. It is very important topic. Every time they are asking 4 marks, you practice the remaining problems. Very good. Thank you very much. All the best.